Okay, let's talk about what you would do if we had a system of inequalities. That means two inequalities that we have to graph. So we're going to do this the same way we just did the last two problems, but you're going to have two on each graph. So you will graph the first inequality, you will graph the second inequality. Notice that this inequality is not in mx plus b form. So before you graph anything, it needs to get to mx plus b form. So you're going to have two lines, just like you would on a system of equations, except inequalities have lots of solutions, not like just the dot where they cross on an equation. We show those solutions by shading. So we would graph first inequality, shade. Graph the second inequality, shade. There should be a part where both shaded regions are intersecting. So there's two shaded two shades in one area. That is your solution set. So the inequality that I just shown you is represented here. Here is the first inequality. Y is less than -3, or y is greater than -3. So I shaded above. For the second inequality, I also shaded above. The common space is your solution. So this is not a solution, the red area. This ends up not being a solution, the blue area. The combined area, any ordered pair that falls in this combined area could be a solution to this system of inequality. So just to go back, I graphed y is greater than -3. I graphed x minus y is less than or equal to 4, and I shaded both areas separately. Then I looked for the common space. The common shaded area is where our solutions are. Desmos graphing calculator is a great resource for you to use because it kind of does the shading for you. You can just see where the common area is and then look at where ordered pairs would be in that area. So there's a few more examples of this where you graph the inequality, shade, graph the second inequality, shade, find the space where they are both shaded. Example 3, graph the inequality, shade, graph the second inequality, shade. The common area is where your solutions are. All these ordered pairs are solutions.